Hello guys, today we have another LG television, this time it's 55 inches, the model number 55UK6470PLC. That's another television with the blue backlight. Okay, so let's turn on and let's see how the pictures look like. As you see, try to turn on this standby light, press the button here. You can see the picture is very blue right now. Okay, that's done. Yeah. Okay, if you can see the picture, it's a quite blue. You know, if you watch my previous video, I think you know this from before. There's a problem with the backlight, so we need to replace the full set of the backlight. Fortunately, we have the set in stock here all the time, because it's a very common fault. Now it's 55 inches, but you can see the same problem in 43 inches, 49 inches, 50 inches, and 55 inches, like this one. Probably 65 also, but I remember I had this before for the years. Okay, so let's open couple screws here. It's not too many screws. It's nice to open this TV, you know. Here. If you have another model, for example 43 inches, and you have the same problem, you can watch my previous videos. There was the 43 inches television with the same problem. So let's open this. I get some screwdriver and just there's some kind of clips we need to lose. Don't have much space here. Okay. Take the back cover somewhere. Maybe here. What I do, I'm removing the speakers always, because I remove this. I check if you see this. You can see this. I remove this steel frame. Just you disconnect the LVDS cables from the screen. Okay, there's two latches you pull down, and now we move this sensor. Also, we remove the screw which holding the Wi-Fi module. Okay, like that. Now there's a couple of screws here which holding the steel frame. It's nice to open this TV, you know, it's very easy. Now we remove the screws from the bottom. sides. On the bottom there are longer screws, on the sides they're shorter. Maybe I use the manual screwdriver this time. I thinking to open online shop with those LED stripes, you know. You can buy these bars from my shop maybe in the next couple of days. If you see the link on the bottom, you can just click the link and you can buy this. If you want to try to do this yourself, you know. This kind, I'm in Ireland, in Republic of Ireland, so there is the European Union, so you don't have any extra charges if you're in European Union, but you do have charges, the custom charges, if you're in UK, okay? But all the Europe is, there will be no charges, no custom charges, no VAT, nothing. Just pay what you pay on the website or on my eBay shop, and that's all. Just remove this careful this frame. You just, you know, try to be careful as possible because I don't want to you know, to broke this frame, because it will be not nice if I break this. Okay, so we have removed this frame. Now the screen. The screen is the most important thing to remove. We need to be very careful. We have just something like that, just a card or something. We lift just a little bit one side. We go around to lose all this and the glue or something like that, but it's not here. Here is okay. Okay, don't go this side. Okay, don't go this side because you can catch this stripe, the ribbon, and you can damage. If you damage this game over, you know. Okay, we lift this gently. Okay, we slide the back. Okay, and now I lift this a little bit and very gently I put this in safe place somewhere. Yeah, you need to be very careful with the screen. If you remove the screen and put it in safe place, that's 80% job done. Now we remove this. Some kind of. Okay, so we remove this plastic frame, another one. You will see when you open this. There's a couple clips here, you know. You just need to bend this a little bit and the plastic and it's going out. Very easy. Okay, next. then we have a couple on the top of the screen here. Come on. Okay, it's loose. You remove this frame to the same place, maybe somewhere here. Okay, and then we just lift this sheet. We need to lift all together. You know, there is a couple sheets here, but I take it all together. Okay, all together. Yeah, so that is easier. It's easier than better than one by one. Okay, so remove this, just turn this and pull the spacers. Okay, couple of them here only, and we remove this sheet. This sheet is maybe the glue. The double tape is not. Oh, it broke. You can put it back this like that. Okay, and. Okay, so we have there. So So I just gone for the knife. Okay, there's a clip here. We need to remove these clips. So 3 clips only. You can put back this or no, whatever you want. It's so important. Okay, and go again. Okay, now we have those 3. I show you how it look like now. The backlight, how it look like. Hopefully you will see this good on this camera. I'm not sure. Anyway, we turn on this, and you can see there is a lot of blue here. You know, there are a couple good ones, but most of them they are blue. You know, so we need to remove and replace for the good ones. Now I take a knife, I just remove the cables from the sockets here, just like that. Just a squeeze and pull. Okay, just like that. They are all the same, 3 the same, there's no difference between them. So you just pull them and remove them. You can use knife. I use a knife. I don't know, you can use anything you want, you know. It's not that important. Remove this. So, before you start this job, better you need to order the backlight, because you don't want to do this job twice, you know. So better check the numbers. Okay, there is the numbers here. I'm not sure if you see this. Okay, that's the number of the stripes you need to buy. You need 3 of them. Don't worry too much about the old stripes. They go into the bin. We not use it anymore. Now we have the new ones. And the new ones go like that. Okay, there is a pins here. There's a pin here and pin here. You can just you can see where it should go, you know, in a good position. The same here. There's a pin here. Now this one. Okay. There is an old double-sided tape which left when we remove this. The tape is still here, so you can use it easy. Or if it's not, you can use double-sided tape with some kind of I should say the thermal conductive tape or something like that, because the heat should go from the stripe into the steel frame. Okay, now we have done everything. Connect the last one, and now we turn on and we see the picture look like. Well, no picture, but have the light look like. You see there is a very white now, so it's okay, it's fine. So now we go backwards, everything, you know. So we put this sheet back. Okay, this should straight 1 to 1. Okay, everything is fine. I need to put back this one. It's okay. It's going here, and I can use maybe some kind of tape. Always, I can't find anything here. Okay. Okay, so we take this tape maybe. Take a piece of tape here, and I just stick it in here. Okay, should be okay now. But don't be worried about it too much. This will be not visible, and even if it's missing. Oh, sorry, not this yet. We have a spacers to put it back. See the spacers? They should be back in big screens, because when you have a big screen, the sheet can go down, and the picture will be not perfect after, you know. But this holding those 3 sheets in good position. One more. It's here. Okay, perfect. Now we go with this sheet all together. All together, yeah, like that. Perfect. Just like that. Now I just yeah. This should be go into the spin, you know. There's a pins here and the holes in the sheet, so just you put this straight there. Okay, next, plastic frame number 2. This plastic frame will go like that, I think. Here the click like that. No. Just make sure everything is clicked in. Now the most important screen. Screen goes like that. Just careful and make sure the screen is in the right position. The corners, yeah, all the corners are in. Make sure if you can push, but don't push the screen. Okay, you can push the plastic frame, and then the screen go in on the corners. Okay, don't push the screen, push the frame. Okay, if you push the screen, you crack the screen and game over again. Okay, so now another, the plastic frame number 1, the main one. Now we can go and put back some screws on the side. This time only this and this. We don't go with this one, with the bottom one, because we need to put first you know, the steel frame, which we removed before. Okay, we don't have much space here, to be honest. I'm just overwhelmed with the jobs, with the TVs, you know. Very busy right now, but what we can do. Okay, I try to upload this video today on my channel, so you can watch. Screw. Now we're going top side. Next one. Okay, now we turn this television upside down. Okay. First we disconnect the cable. Put this inside. Okay, so we have this television upside down. Now we go back with this screen. I don't know, that's some kind of driver, something on here, but okay. Anyway, we have this back. Now we can put back the steel frame here. The steel frame is going like that, and now we can go with the longer screws on the bottom. Yeah, just a couple of them. I checked with you how long time will it take this to do this job. Just that, and the last one. Okay, when we okay, and now couple on the top here. Now we connect back the screen. Okay, you need to connect this now because later will be the problem. Okay, we connect the screen back. You need to be careful and make sure the connectors, the video connector goes in properly. Okay, what I can do now, I just turn this television on for you. There's no point to show you how I put back cover or things like that. You can just check now how the television is working. What kind of picture we have at the moment. You can see now. Okay, a few seconds. You see the better. The color is nice now. It's white. The background is white, and the picture looks just perfect. You see? Okay, so job is done. I put everything together now. I turned off the video right now. Thank you for watching. You know, there's no point to show you how to put back cover in and things like that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe this channel if you like this content. Probably the backlight strips will be for sale at our website or our eBay shop. Just check the description below. Probably I put this in the future. You can buy the stripes from our shop very cheap. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.